Welcome back to Product Zone. We're gonna unbox and test out this portable rebounder soccer net. It's basically a training soccer net for solo. If you're just by yourself or your kid is just by himself and he wants to practice and play, when you kick the soccer ball directly to the net, to the goal, it should come back directly to you, so you don't have to go back to it every time, making it easy and fun and really good for playing by yourself. So we're gonna unbox, test this out, see how it goes. This is a 5 by 4 feet soccer. What's in the box? You got a nice traveling bag, so you could always take it by your buddy for a good practice. You got a high quality, amazing soccer net for thing. You got the anchors right here, really good, long, about 8 inches probably, anchors U-shape, and this is it, the frame what we're gonna put together. Listen, this is no cheap plastic. This is steel right here. Beautiful weather coat and paint over it. Listen, overall this is a heavy duty quality. I do have the other soccer net for them, which we love. The kids and the friends have been playing a lot. Check in the description box for more details on this, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna put this together. It'll probably take us like 5 minutes. Easy stuff. Here we are. It was very easy. It's a really good quality, so you can see how it made the soccer ball. We're going to show you right here. My son's going to show you. It's going to kick there and it's going to bounce back, but this thing is incredible. It's really good. Look at the quality. Very nice quality. Bounce right back. Look at that. Oh! All right, let's go again, Jax. Come on. Nice. So you see, if you're practicing by yourself, you don't have somebody, this is what you need. Take your soccer skills to the next level. Easy. Save that energy all the time you have to run back to the ball and use it in more practice. And he's loving it. All right, so he's practicing right now, so when I'm busy working, he doesn't have to bother me. This is a great way for the kids to play by themselves and have a fun time, and he loves it. Look at that. For more details, check in the description box to get your hand on this right here. It's amazing. It's pretty good overall, and I'm using it in my backyard with my kids. If I'm using it, I could highly recommend to other people. Give it a shot. Definitely something worth it for the kids. Keep them away from the tablet, the game, the TV. Keep them active and healthy and become a better soccer player. Save money from the personal trainer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos on Product Zone.